Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your Gimkit account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gimkit.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gimkit website. Just click on the login button at the top right corner, which will take you into the login portal. You can now continue with your Google account or you can use your email address to log in. Type in your email address and click on continue, and now you will see the forgot password button. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to check your inbox. So just log into your email address and you will find an email from Gimkit. Within this email, you will see a reset password button. Go ahead and click on it and now you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. Just type in your desired new password within the new password box and then type it in once again underneath for confirmation. After typing in your desired new password twice, click on the submit button and now your password will successfully be changed and you will end back within the login page. You can now use your email address along with your newly set up password in order to log into your Gimkit account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Gimkit. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.